Hi, I'm Kirsty Cullen, registered nutritional therapist at the Optimum Health Clinic. And today I'm going to share how you can improve your blood glucose balance with one simple store-cupboard essential. Blood glucose balance is something that we talk about a lot here at the Optimum Health Clinic because blood glucose balancing is central to how we manage our energy, satiety, and general health and well-being. And research shows us that long-term blood glucose dysregulation or imbalance is actually linked to a wide number of chronic health conditions, including polycystic ovary syndrome, chronic fatigue syndrome, diabetes, acne, dementia, and Alzheimer's. To support healthy blood glucose balance, we want to avoid the blood sugar roller coaster, which is when blood glucose levels spike too high and then plummet too low. At the Optimum Health Clinic, our nutrition team work with clients to implement a whole variety of diet and lifestyle tools aimed at optimizing blood glucose balance. But here is a quick tip that you can implement easily at home. In a key study, apple cider vinegar was shown to improve HbA1c levels. Now, HbA1c show as an average blood glucose reading from the previous 2 months, so this is an important marker which demonstrates our blood glucose balance. Along with demonstrating that apple cider vinegar can improve blood glucose balance, this study also suggested that apple cider vinegar was also helpful for improving cholesterol levels too. And this positive impact on both blood glucose and cholesterol was seen after just 2 months of consistent apple cider vinegar use. Now, here's how to incorporate your apple cider vinegar. So the recommended daily dose is 30 milliliters, which is roughly a tablespoon taken in a little water just before each of your 3 meals per day. For more important tips on blood glucose management, do follow us at the Optimum Health Clinic.